Welcome everyone to the 2020 Smith Family Backyard Ninja Course Race. My, do we have an exciting action-packed event planned for you today. Before we get into the action, let's start with a course overview. Today's course will begin and end at the tree fort. Contestants will traverse the ninja line, followed by the slack line, and then down the zip line. If they touch the ground at any point during this section of the course, there'll be an automatic time penalty added to their overall time. From there, then they'll have to do the slalom through the lawn chairs, jump the 2 bench hurdles, and crawl underneath the campfire logs before climbing up the slide and then pulling the pirate flag out of its holder, and that will signal their completion of the course. Alright, for today's contestants, we have Jeff Smith, also known as Daddy to his fellow competitors. Then we have Ethan Smith, and then Calvin Smith was supposed to compete today, but he had an unfortunate injury and had to bow out. But no worries, he has agreed to step up and be our tree fort commentator, giving you live commentary throughout the event. Alright, our first contestant up today is Ethan Smith. While he heads to the starting blocks, let's listen into what his strategy is going to be today.
And I'm ready to do this. And my shirt says USA. The zip line and the monkey bars are my favorite. Daddy's going down for this time. I'm gonna win the race today.
Alright, Cal, let's get this started.
And on your mark, get set, go!
Alright, he's got a strong start up to the tree fort.
Monkey bars. Can we make it to the other side of the monkey bars?
The monkey bars is really his strong suit when it comes to this course.
Almost there.
Remember, if they touch the ground during this section of the course, there's an automatic time penalty. But there's also going to be a time bonus if they can complete any tricks. Oh, can he make it to the rock?
Okay. Can you make it? Can you not? I'm just hitting and makes it! Okay, he's on the snack line and he's almost to the zip line.
He's got to squeeze through the trees right here.
Okay. He's going. And he...
Oh, he's picking up speed.
Makes it!
All right, now he can touch the ground. Oh, a little trick there. We'll see how the judges score that later. All right, now he's got to slalom through these chairs.
Okay, here he comes, here he comes. I'm around the chairs.
All right, let's check his technique for jumping these.
Nice jumps. Okay, can he crawl?
There he goes, down to the grass, getting dirty. All right, the final sprint up the hill.
He's almost here. He's right there.
Oh, he handled that slide like a pro. Can he get that flag? There we go. He has completed the course. Alright, so it looks like Ethan completed the course in 1 minute and 37 seconds. And I've just heard from the judges that they're going to award him a 6-second deduction for this trick right here. And that's going to bring his grand total to 1 minute and 31 seconds. Our next competitor is going to be Ethan's dad, Jeff Smith. Earlier today, we had an opportunity to hear about his techniques. Let's check in with him. I'm pumped for this course today. My favorite part of the course has got to be the zip line. I try to get really aerodynamic and just pick up the pace. The one thing I'm worried about is the monkey bars because my feet hit the ground. I have a secret technique that I'm going to bust out, and these long socks aren't for looks. They're part of the strategy. I'm going to win. Ethan's going down. All right, here Jeff's heading to the starting blocks. Ethan's final time was 1 minute and 31 seconds. Let's see if he can match it.
Ready, set, go!
All right, now this is the tough part Jeff said he was gonna have. He's too tall. His feet hit the ground if he does it normal.
Onto the monkey bar!
Oh, who's gonna shoot? Oh, he seems to have a technique like a 3-toed sloth as he hooks his legs over. Oh, he almost touched the ground there.
Oh, onto the snack line!
Can he squeeze through this tree?
Onto the...
Oh, he made it.
The ball!
Oh, here he goes. Aerodynamic, nice and straight. All right, no time penalty, but he didn't do a trick like Ethan did. That may cost him later.
Here he goes.
Zigging and zagging through the chairs. How's he gonna jump these? Doesn't touch them at all, just leaps over. Oh, this is gonna be a tight squeeze for Jeff as well.
Crawling. He's almost there.
All right, he seems to be winded. I don't know if this slide can hold him.
Oh, I'm gonna break the slide.
Oh, I heard a crack.
And he
Can he grab the flag?
makes it.
I gotta get the
He's got it.
All right, while our judges are calculating Jeff's time, let me take a moment and tell you about how our race today is brought to you by Fun Size Adventures, our Smith family vlog all about getting our kids outdoor and active and helping you to do the same. If that sounds like something you're interested in, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you can join us on our next adventure. Okay, I'm hearing from our judges. It looks like Jeff has been awarded no points for tricks since he did not do any. So that's going to put his final time at 1 minute and 31 seconds. And I don't believe it. This is the same as Ethan's final time. That means we have a tie. The 2020 Smith Family Backyard Ninja Course race has ended in a tie. This is unprecedented in the history of Backyard Ninja Course races.
I've just been told that a tie automatically triggers a rematch to be held at a later date. So we're gonna have to settle this score another day. As for today, all our competitors competed to the top of their ability. We're so proud of all of them. So on behalf of Ethan, Calvin, and the entire Smith family, thank you so much for watching the 2020 Smith Family Backyard Ninja Course race, and we will see you on the next one.
Okay. Anything else you want to say, Cal?
I fly up the sky and I land on a plant. And I go, oh my God.
He's hopeless.